Good morning. Welcome to MBDS Gurukul channel. How are you? I hope you will be healthy and happy. One request to you, please subscribe this channel and also share this video in your classmate. Today I am going to solve the question that I gave you for you practice, and again at last I am giving you again question for practice. Okay. Exercise 2.2. Question number 2 of 1. Question number 2, 4x square minus 4s plus 1. Okay. 4s square minus 4s plus 1. Let PS be PS is equal to 4s square minus 4s plus 1. Here I let PS because this polynomial is in variable s. Okay, is equal to 4s square minus. Now first here is 4 and here is 1. It in plus 4 and plus 1. 4 into 1 is equal to 4. Okay, we subtract we factorize 4. In that the add is 4. Now I can subtract factorize this. 4 is equal to 1 into 4, 2 into 2, 4 into 1. Okay, so 1 plus 4 is equal to 5, 2 plus 2 is equal to 4, and 4 plus 1 is equal to 5. So this is not, it means that we have to get 4, then 2 plus 2, it means that 2 into 2. So I write here minus 2s minus 2s plus 1. Okay, is equal to 2s common, then we get 2s minus 1. Here minus 1 common, then 2s minus 1. Okay, minus 1 common, then the symbol of plus 1 is changed. Okay, is equal to 2s minus 1 into 2s minus 1 is common, then 2s minus 1. Okay, so the value of PS is 0 when 2s minus 1 is equal to 0 or 2s minus 1 is equal to 0. It means that this part and this part also equal to 0. Okay, that is when s is equal to minus 1, go to the other side, then plus 1, 2 is multiply in s, 2 and s is also multiply, so 2 is got to the another side, then in divide 1 by 2, s is equal to 1 by, or s is equal to same 1 by 2. Therefore the zeros of PS, it means that 4s square minus 4s plus 1 are 1 by 2 and 1 by 2. Okay, now verify. Sum of zeros is equal to 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 is equal to, LCM is 2, 1 plus 1 is equal to 2 by 2. Okay. Now product of zeros is equal to 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 is equal to 1 by 4. Here denominator is 2, but here denominator is 4. This is not equal. So first we multiply in denominator 2 and denominator by 2. Then we get 2 to 4 by 4. Now the both denominator is same. So I write here minus b by a and here c by a, because 4 is also coefficient of s square, minus 4 is also coefficient of, we can also write here 4 minus 4. Okay, then minus is minus cancel, b is equal to minus 4. Okay, so here b is equal to minus 4, c is equal to 1. So this is true. Solution 3, okay, of 1. The question number 3 is 6x square minus 3 minus 7x. Let px is equal to 6x square minus 3 minus 7x. Now rearrange them. Then 6x square minus 7x minus 3. Okay, same, 6 3 are 18. Okay, now 6 into minus 3 is equal to minus 18. Then factorize to get 7. 9 into 2 is equal to 18, and subtract 9 minus 2 is equal to 7. So we write here 6x square minus 9x plus 2x minus 3. Okay, is equal to 3x common, 3 2 are 6 minus 3 3 are 9, plus 1 common, then 2x minus 3 is equal to 2x minus 3 is common, then 3x plus 1, 3x plus 1. So the value of px is 0 when 2x minus 3 is equal to 0 or 3x plus 1 is equal to 0. That is when x is equal to minus 3, go to other side, then plus 3 and 2 on the place of divide. Okay, or same, x is equal to minus 1 by 3, minus plus 1 go to other side, minus 1, 3 multiply, so divide, minus 1 by 3. Therefore the zeros of px, it means that 6x square minus 3 minus 7x are 3 by 2 and minus 1 by 3. Now verify. Sum of zeros is equal to 3 by 2 plus minus 1 by 3. LCM is 6, 3 3 are 9, minus 2 is equal to 7 by 6. I can also write minus and minus, okay, is equal to minus b by a. Product of zeros is equal to 3 by 2 into minus 1 by 3 is equal to minus 3 by 6 is equal to c by a. Okay, now a is 6, b is equal to minus 7 and c is equal to minus 3. Okay, solution 4. Now question number 4, 4u square plus 8u. Okay, 4u square plus 8u. Let pu is equal to 4u square plus 8u. Now 4u common, then u plus 2. Okay, 4 2 are 8. Now show the value of pu is 0 when 4u is equal to 0 or u plus 2 is equal to 0. That is when u is equal to 0 by 4 is equal to 0 or u is equal to plus 2, go to other side, minus 2. Therefore the zeros of pu, it means that 4u square plus 8u are 0 and minus 2. Now verify. Sum of 0 is equal to 0 plus minus 2 is equal to minus 2. Product of zeros is equal to 0 into minus 2 is equal to 0. Now I multiply by numerator 4 and denominator also 4 is equal to minus 8 by 4 is equal to minus b by a. Now here also multiply numerator 4 and denominator 4 is equal to 0 by 4 is equal to c by a. Okay, a is equal, a is equal to 4, b is equal to plus 8, minus minus cancel, then b is equal to plus 8. Okay, and c is 0. Now solution 5. 5t square minus 15. t square minus 15. Let pt is equal to t square minus 15 is equal to t square minus 15. We write also root under 15 the whole square. Okay, because root under 15 into root under 15 is equal to 50, so I write here, okay, for 15 root under 15 the whole square. Now a square minus b square is equal to a plus b, a minus b. Okay, so the value of pt is 0 when t plus root under 15 is equal to 0 or t minus root under 15 is equal to 0. That is when t is equal to plus 15, go to other side, minus root 15, and minus root under 15 go to other side is equal to plus root 15. Okay, Therefore, the zeros of pt is equal to pt is equal to t square minus 15 are minus root under 15 and plus root under 15. Okay, now verify. Sum of zeros is equal to minus root under 15 plus root under 15 is equal to 0. Product of zeros is equal to minus root under 15 into plus root under 15 is equal to minus 15. Okay, now 0 by 1 is equal to minus b by a. Here minus 15 by 1 is equal to c by a. A is 1, a is 1, b is equal to 0 and c is equal to minus 15. Okay, now solution 6. 3x square minus 4 minus x minus 4. 3x square minus x minus 4. Let px is equal to 3x square minus x minus 4 is equal to, now 3 into minus 4 is equal to minus 12. Okay, now we also write this minus 4 into 3. Okay, and minus 4 plus 3 is equal to minus 1. So here minus 1. So we can also write this 3x square minus 4x plus 3x minus 4. Now x is common, then 3x minus 4 plus 1 is common, 3x minus 4. Okay, is equal to 3x minus 4 is common, then x plus 1. So the value of px is 0 when 3x minus 4 is equal to 0 or x plus 1 is equal to 0. That is when x is equal to minus 4 go to other side, plus 4, and 3 go to other side and 4 divided by 3, multiply go to other side, divide, or x is equal to plus 1 go to other side, minus 1. Therefore the zeros of px is equal to 3x square minus x minus 4 are 4 by 3 and minus 1. Now verify. Product of sum of zeros is equal to 4 by 3 minus 1 is equal to LCM 3, 4 minus 3 is equal to 1 by 3 is equal to minus 1 minus plus 1 by 3 is equal to minus b by a. Now product of zeros is equal to 4 by 3 into minus 1 is equal to minus 4 by 3 is equal to c by a. A is 3, a is 3, a is 3, b is equal to minus 1, b is equal to minus 1. Okay, c is equal to minus 4, c is equal to minus 4. Okay, now the next question, solution of 2 2. Okay, 2 2. Find the quadratic polynomial each with the given numbers as the sum of product of its zeros respectively. 2, 2, root under 2 and 1 by 3. Root under 2, 1 by 3. Okay. Let the quadratic polynomial be ax square plus bx plus c and its zeros be alpha and beta. Okay, we have alpha plus beta is equal to root under 2. Alpha into beta is equal to root under 1 by 3. Okay, here denominator is 1 and here denominator is 3. So first we equal the denominator, then we multiply 3 in numerator and denominator, then 3 root 2 by 3. Now this is 1 by 3 and 3 and 3 is equal, so minus b by a and alpha into beta c by a. Therefore a is equal to 3, b is equal to, here minus, here is not minus, so minus is go to the other. It means that 3 root 2 c is equal to 1. Hence the required quadratic polynomial is the, put the value of a, then 3x square, b minus 3 root 2x plus c, it means at 1. Okay, answer. Question number 3, 3 of 2, 0 and root under 5. Now solution 3, 0 and root under 5. Okay, now I am applying a formula. Okay, there is a formula for finding, if you know the zeros, then the formula of quadratic equation is x square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha into beta. This is a formula of finding quadratic polynomial if you have the knowledge of alpha and beta, alpha plus beta and alpha into beta. So now here I am applying this formula. Okay, let the quadratic polynomial be ax square plus bx plus c and its zeros be alpha and beta. Okay, we have alpha plus beta is equal to 0, alpha into beta is equal to root under 5. Okay, according to this formula, okay, we have to write, so the quadratic polynomial is is x square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha into beta is equal to x square minus alpha plus beta is equal to 0, so 0 into x plus alpha into beta is equal to root under 5 is equal to x square minus 0 plus root under 5 is equal to x square minus plus root 5. Answer. Okay. Now question number 4. Solution of 4. Now the 4, 1 and 1. Okay. Let the quadratic polynomial be ax square plus bx plus c and its zeros be alpha and beta. We have alpha plus beta is equal to 1, alpha into beta is equal to 1. Okay, so the quadratic, the required quadratic polynomial is x square plus x square minus alpha plus beta into x minus plus alpha into beta is equal to x square minus 1x plus 1 is equal to x square minus x plus 1. Answer. Now solution of question number 5. Minus 1 by 4 and 1 by 4. Minus 1 by 4, 1 by 4. Let the quadratic polynomial be ax square plus bx plus c and its zeros be alpha and beta. Okay, we have alpha plus beta is equal to minus 1 by 4, alpha into beta is equal to 1 by 4. Here denominator is same. Okay, so minus b by a, c by a. Okay, therefore a is equal to 4, b minus minus c, b is equal to 1, c is equal to also 1. Hence the required polynomial is 4x square plus b is equal to 1, so x plus 1. Answer. Now solution 6. 6 is 4 and 1. Okay, let the quadratic polynomial be ax square plus bx plus c and its zeros be alpha and beta. We have alpha plus beta is equal to 4, alpha into beta is equal to 1. Now here I am applying the formula. Okay, so the required quadratic polynomial is x square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha into beta is equal to x square minus alpha plus 4, so 4x plus alpha into beta 1. Answer. Okay, now I am giving 3 questions for your practice. Okay, now question for practice. First question, find the zeros of the quadratic polynomial x square plus 7x plus 10 and verify the relationship between zeros and the coefficient. Okay, question number 2, find the zeros of the quadratic polynomial x square minus 3 and verify the relationship between zeros and the coefficient. Question number 3, find a quadratic polynomial the sum and the product of whose zeros are minus 3 and 2 respectively. Okay, there are 3 questions. Now, okay, that's all. Thank you. Good night.